from Yoruba land. And who are they going to agitate against? They are the Baale of this world. They are selling lands for the yes-men, selling land for the Boko Haram that we just disguise that they want to come and plant, they want to come and start farming, disturb people farming. Those Baale in the south, west generally, they are culpable. And some of them, they will answer, they will supposed to face the law.
Kule, you are sounding very deep this time around. You know, this is a bit away from.
I've been sounding deep. You guys just don't listen to me.
As it stands now,
you just don't listen to me.
When you started hearing the likes of Igbo coming up on board, you know, what actually came into your mind? Does this really mean that the Yorubas want to actually leave the country, or they were just using it to advance their political ambition?
Before we leave the country, we separate the bastard Yorubas out. Yes, the bastard ones. I'm talking, there are some people that are feeding this Boko Haram. Are there not people giving them land? Who are the people selling land for them? Who are the people selling land? Go all around, you see.
But the Yorubas stopped Ruga under Buhari.
They stopped what?
Ruga policy under Buhari. They say we don't need colonization in the southwest.
Which Afenifere? I don't think those Afenifere want good for us. Thank God there's a new, there's new this thing on the block now. Or maybe they just wake up from the slumber now. Because we need to be protected. The southwest is not protected. The southeast is not protected. Let me tell you. Right? So what we need now is we should go and talk to ourselves. Because we are just shouting at this, that. The problem we are creating internally with ourselves is even enough. When a Baale when a stranger will come in, you will not profile the stranger. That one will just bring kola nut, it will bring a palm wine, it will bring some cash. You accept it. I want to just get some land, and you will not profile that. And those Baale will collect money, huge money, and they will start giving criminals space in your territory. So what do you expect?
But they have said it before now that they will definitely conquer out. The Fulani have been saying
but they were here. Those Baale, they have ear to hear. Are they illiterate? Majority, are they illiterate? Thank God there's a new on ground now. There's a new system on ground. Like the Oba of my state now, Oba of my town, who happens to be from my mother biological, heritage, is a general, retired general in army, and is a neurologist, well learned. So there's no how you can come and want to manipulate such a person. We need all the A-grade, high-class Obas now, not all these chop Obas, chop Baales. Those are the ones we need. And same thing in the southwest, east, where you come from. Go and check your obese, the obese of this world, the Igbo. Are they not selling out? Are they not selling out? The slots will come to some states. They will divert it, they go and sell it to another region. Are you aware of that? Some slots that are supposed to come to their states, to their region, and in Baale, they always involve Baale in any recruitment of anything. They have to go to your king, the king of your. So how many of our Baale always come clean? How many of them, they will sell the slots? It happens in Lagos too. It happens everywhere. The truth needs to be told. And I don't fear. I know God. I fear God, right? And I fear the government too. But at the same time, we need to tell ourselves the truth.
Okay, now I'm telling you the messages that are coming from the north. Where they made a certain statement that the southwest,
yes,
and the north practice feudal system politically. That's what the northerners are saying. That the problem they are having in terms of conquest is always the Igbos. But Igbos are seeing the Yorubas as people that they can form a kind of alliance together, and that was why somebody like Yinka Odumaki was advocating for, But all of a sudden, we are seeing this thing a threat, coming towards that direction of Igbo must go. Before now, that has been the strength of the North, and the North
divide and rule. Yeah, you know what? I get what you say.
They are saying not even strictly divide and rule.
Yeah.
They said they share the same feudal system, that it will be easy to use Yoruba to conquer the Igbo nation. And politically, I don't know.
Where do you hear that from?
Yes, I can show you.
Where
It might not be a physical thing that you can read on newspaper, but these are what you see on everyday political activities within the country.
Okay.
Like they have told him that Tinubu is a one-time this thing, because he seems to have been deviating from the northern agenda. I don't know how you want to
Okay, thank you very much. We need not to have northern agenda. We need not to follow northern agenda.
Okay.
We need to follow, Tinubu need to follow his own agenda, not northern agenda. Whether you vote for him or you don't vote for him, it's his own agenda that will make the country, bring back the glory of the country. And what you don't know is the country, this country, there are demonic people in this country, demonic politicians. Once you lose the election, you want to bring the person in that seat down. And it's not like that in America. It's not like that in the Western world. What you need to do is to be chipping in some, all for the sake of the masses. Because when two elephants fight, it's the grasses that will suffer. It's the grass on the floor that suffer. And that is what we are facing now. The oppositions, the current presidents, they are not feeling anything much because they are made already. Do you want to tell me the article of this world, the OB of this world, the Conquest of this world? What else do they need? They benefited from Nigeria. But you, that you are still the upcoming one, they will be fooling. Are they creating the diversity? They will be all of them, they are looking for food to chop. Food to chop. Because the presidency is just like a cake, a good baked cake. Everybody get there is cut your slice. And that is why I say that cake, we should just slice that cake, slice and finish it. And when there's no cake again, which is the oil, you see, the owners of the oil, but they are not enjoying it. The owners, the south, they are not enjoying the oil. You don't want to talk of the environment, environment deprivation or what? Environmental deprivation. You want to talk that? You see, to me, I can tell you, for me to rule this country, it can't take me, I can say 6 months to get things done. Because what? When you come with a clean hand, and when you come with a clean hands, you'll be having a clean mind to say what you want to do. Right? And the threat will come. And you say you'll be ready for the threat. If you want to kill me, I'm ready for you. You can come over. But what I will do is what I will do. Right? We just so stubborn in this country. Let me just say, we're stubborn in this country. Look at some sections, they will say they are this, they are that. Any small thing, dagger, bow. And you have some people that are carrying guns. Some months ago, some years ago, almost a year ago now, people were carrying AK-47. While some section, you cannot even see them with dagger. If you see them with dagger, you'll be arrested. But why some people are moving free with AK-47, with cows?
But they own Nigeria.
Where is the certificate of occupants? Which certificate of occupants that they gave to them that they own Nigeria? But
you said it here when we are starting this interview, that the British government handed over Nigeria to them.
They handed over, but we now that we are citizens, the British has done their own. That's their own they do. When we now say the way we are, the British doesn't know how we came to be, and they doesn't know how does the British people, did they speak Yoruba? Did they speak Igbo? Did they speak Hausa? So how come they would not come into our system and start saying that these are their favorite, these are this? I'm just telling you, I said that because you know that the British government said they moved because they were in haste to hand over and we were not even ripe then. Before this elder statesman, the late Nauru, went to the British, the chamber, house, to declare, to protest that we want democracy, that we want our own freedom. But we were not very ripe. I didn't mean we allowed ourselves to manage those British people for years on years. I think our system will have been more better. The Nigerians will have been more better than this. You know, but now as it is,
why is it that anybody that goes to Chatham House, London, becomes the president of Nigeria? Doesn't that tell you that the British government are still in charge?
You see, the most trickish people, when you talk of tortoise, that's British for you. When you see tortoise and you see British, the British government, Britain generally, you see tortoise. They are like one, you know.
Okay, do you see now what the reason why we have the likes of Igbo and Nnamdi Kanu?
I've always been in support. But what I go against is stop, don't kill. Don't kill, because two wrongs don't make it right. We are talking now that we're talking about herdsmen that are killing people, and we can't, two wrongs don't make it right, right? They're right. So that's why I said these people, they should apply sense so that they will not rope them in for the killings. You could see Igbo there. The allegation was he went on to destroy some Hausa people, some Northern people, there were some Fulani people, and some were killed. And same Kanu, that Kanu, when he was doing this thing, people were killed. They believe Kanu was the one sending all these boys to go and start killing themselves, start killing police. And I don't think that a enlightened, educated guy would do so. But when it's the head that carry all the, you know, baggages of any atrocity that has been on ground.
Finally, Kunle, a Yoruba man, why is it that all of a sudden the Odua agitation just went down? Is it because that their man is in the seat of power?
It's not, okay, their man is the seat of power. Is it not same market? You as an Igbo man, is going to, that me, a Yoruba man, that is going to. Tinubu is Tinubu. Me, I'm Kunle. Tinubu don't know me. For me to see Tinubu, I can never see him. I can never even get access to him. Right? Because of when you talk of the security details, everything, I can never. So when you talk of your Yoruba man, is a Yoruba man.
No, I mean the agitation of Odua nation has seemed to have gone down since Tinubu came into
yes.
authority. What does that, it doesn't mean they are not interested in Odua nation again? Or
we are interested in Odua nation. That's why you could see behind the scene there, I was telling you about regionalism. That's okay. It's some of my friends here from my Igbo friends here, my big friends here. We were discussing that the problem we are having is let us practice true federalism. We switch from British system of government to American system of government. And when we got to American system of government, we're not even practicing it the way it's supposed to be practiced. Do you hear me? It's not being practiced because in America system of government, the center is weak, while the states are strong, and you contribute what you make, percentage of to the center, just to sustain the system. But is this central, the true federalism we are practicing here?
But that was what led to the Biafran War, where they were talking about regionalism. Everybody should stay on their own. Confederation was misinterpreted, and that was.
But everybody has learned their lesson.
Yes, everybody has learned the lesson. Thank you, Mr. Kunle, for being part of this morning.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
It's good talking to you.
Anytime you want me, I'm there for you because I like you. So.